we go. Unplugged. Okay, so obviously these Hello 550s stick out quite a ways from the front bumper, and I busted one of the tabs off. Hit a box of paper or something like that in the road, and I'm gonna have a buddy. I'm gonna drop the bumper off, have a buddy weld the tab back on, maybe make it a little bit stronger. But yeah, I figured I'd record this just in case you guys decide to do this, to let you know that these stick out quite a ways and they're not exactly strong on there. So. Oh, I think it's 214s. Yep, that's what it looks like. So 214s. You can see right here, right there, completely busted the tab off. So just gonna have him weld it back up. Surprisingly, I'm just looking at this. So the reason this one didn't bust off is this has, yeah, and that's an actual tab instead. Huh, interesting. Huh. All right, well, this isn't gonna be just kind of this is gonna be more of a like update on just a bunch of little things that I need to get done on the 4Runner. So getting this thing done. I have a Bluetooth microphone that I needed to add. I have, what else? I need to fix my scan gauge. And I think that's it for now. I'm not sure. But yeah, just a bunch of little things. I figured I'd record them. So. Where's the weld at? Right there. So. Put some extra washers on it. Hopefully it stays all together this time. But yeah, that's the part that broke.
Work again.